Hello friends, welcome to Pawan Shop channel. In this tutorial we are going to see the use of the constant keyword in JavaScript. So let's see with example. Const x is 20. Okay, then print the x first. See the output, it will give you the 20. Okay, and let's reassigning the value. Now x is make it 50. Okay, but now it should give 50, correct? But we will get the x error here. Let's see the output. Right, this is the syntax error. So assignment to constant variable means when you will declare any variable using constant keyword, you can't reinitialize, right? Here you have already initialized, right? X is 20, but again you are reassigning 50, right? You can't do like this. So reassignment is not allowed in JavaScript when you declare any variable using constant keyword. Okay, so this is the not allowed. And then const a is 50. Okay, let's print a. It will give you 50, 20 and 50. Look at 20 and 50, but I'm not going to assigning here. I'm going to do assigning here. Here is 60. Okay, now it should print 60, correct? And here it will print the 20, correct? But in this line you will get the error. So let's see. Line number 19, missing initializer in constant declaration. Line number 19, we are getting the error right here. So this is not correct. Basically this is not correct. Basically means when you declare any variable using constant keyword, you have to declare and initialize in the same line. You can't do means first declare and then initialize, right? That is not correct. Now it is correct. Now it is correct. It is not correct. So comment this line. Now you will get the result 40. So let's see, 20 and 40 you will get the output. Okay, and constant is basically not a constant. Means constant 20 means constant means this is the reference variable, right? And this is the value and this is the keyword. We are storing this 20. I am storing in this reference variable which is x, and this 40 value I am assigning in a reference variable a, right? So constant is not defining the constant value piece. It is basically defining the constant reference variable. Means it will declare any variable using constant keyword, so you can't reassigning the value, but you can change the value and you can modify the property. Let's see the array const array is, so you can in JavaScript you can declare the array using the square bracket. So right, we'll see in array tutorial in detail. So let's see here. Let's see, this is the Pawan, okay, and this is the Ram, and this is the soft, okay. Basically this is the name array. So now what I want to do, I want means reassignment is not allowed, right? Means this is the variable. When I will reassigning means I'm going to add here something SHYM. So this is not allowed. So let's see the line number 24. We'll get the error. Line number 24, assignment to a temp variable, right? Line number 24, this is not allowed. So let's see the object const name object, okay. So in JavaScript you can create the object using curly braces, array using square bracket, and object using curly bracket, right? So you have to initialize like this, name Pawan, okay. Then name soft, okay. And when we'll reassigning, this is the correct, but when you are reassigning the value like means name is one soft, okay. So line number 27, you will get the syntax error, line number 27, right? So reassignment is not allowed using the array, using the object, using the variable. Means when you declare any variable using the constant keyword, so redeclaration is not allowed, reassignment is not allowed, right? And when you have to initialize in single line only, when you declare any variable using constant keyword, in same time you have to initialize the variable. Means you can't declare and then initialize in second line, right? So this is basically, but you can change the property, right? See what I want to name array dot 0, right? At 0 place I want to change the Pawan soft, right? When we'll print here document dot write name array, it will give you the Pawan soft, Ram soft. Pawan soft, Ram and soft, okay. Means basically this is changing the value. Again you can change the property also, right? Means name array dot push. Using push keyword you can add the element. So again I'm going to add. So here now you will get the output Pawan short. Okay, then round, then short, then Pawan. So let's see. Pawan soft, round, soft, Pawan. And now 30. Okay, here means you have already seen, right? Your reassignment is not allowed. Here also name object dot name. Now I want to change Pawan to Pawan soft, right? When you print document dot write name object, now you will get Pawan soft, soft dot name dot name. Pawan soft and soft, but let's break this one. Pawan soft and soft. Okay. So this is basically the adding the changing the element. Okay, and now let's see. Let's see the const x is x, not x, b is 20. Okay, and then again const b is 30, correct? So line number 35 you will get the exception. Line number 35, b already been declared, right? Means b already declared. In same scope you can't declare more than one time with same name using the constant keyword. Okay, this is not allowed. Okay, but let's declare the constant b is 40. Okay, we will print here document dot b here it will give you 10 and here it will give you 40. Okay, and here it will give you 10. Let's see. 10, 40, 10. Right? 10, 40, 10. Let's give the break line. So now you will get 10, 40 and 10. If you declare the here where b is equal to 20, now you will get the exception in line number 37. So let's see line number 37, right? We already been declared. Means when you declare any variable using the constant keyword, you can't declare the same name variable with same name in same scope using the where keyword or let keyword. If you change let's see again same, you will get the line 37 be already been declared, right? So you can't do that. So let's see the theory part first. Use of the constant keyword. Constant keyword introduced in JavaScript version ES6, right? Constant variable cannot be reassigned. Means when you declare the variable const where number 500, you can't reassigning. When you reassigning the constant variable, then you will get the syntax error. You can't modify the value also, right? Constant variable must be assigned at a value at the time of the declaration only. Means at the time of declaration only you have to initialize the value. Can't means first you declare the value and then you are going to initialize. Do this, right? So this is allowed, this is not allowed. Constant keyword is used to define constant reference to a value, not a constant value. Because of this, you can't reassigning the constant value, constant array and constant object, right? This is you can declare array in square bracket, and we have 3 elements HTML, CSS and bootstrap. And now I am going to reassigning the value, right? HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So reassigning not allowed with objective. So using curly brackets you can create the object, right? Here again mobile I am going to reassigning. So this is not allowed. When you can but you can change the constant array element and property of the constant object, right? Means you can change using push keyword. You can change the value, and using push keyword you can add the value, and using this means at place number 2, 0, 1, 2 index 2 you are assigning, you are changing the JavaScript bootstrap to web, change element of position number 2. Object constant mobile में अगर you are changing the constant color here float black, you are changing the blue. Mobile technology we are adding fifth generation. So we can change the property and you can add the property also. This is the allowed. See the different block scope of constant keyword. Marks is 200 here, const marks is 200. So this is allowed, but this is not allowed because this variable having the global scope and this also having the global scope. So in same scope you can't declare more than one time with same name, right? This is local and this is local. In local scope you can't declare more than one variable, let marks and const marks. So first one is allowed, so second is not allowed because you can't declare. So here also in this is the another local block, and we are declaring the first variable, so this is allowed but second one is not allowed. And here you will see const x marks is 100, right? So here it is 100, and here this is local block. Inside this local block we have 200. When we will print this outside this block, so at the same time you will get the 100 because this is a local scope. So you can access this variable inside this block only, you can't access out this block. When you are going to access this block outside this block, so you will get the global variable value, you can't get the local variable value. So this is the constant keyword inside the JavaScript. So that's it for the day. Thanks for watching.